Hello teacher, I am Valentina Rodriguez Corredor and this is my presentation to present continuous. Is Ana Lucia wearing a pink driver? Yes, she is wearing a pink driver. Is Ana Maria wearing a green ruana? No, she isn't. She is wearing a pink ruana. What are they doing? They are shooting. What are they wearing? They are wearing ruanas. What are they wearing in his head? They are wearing hats. Is Matthias wearing a blue jacket? No, he isn't. Matthias is wearing white jacket. They are not eating tamal. Okay. Is Sebastian wearing a red jacket? Yes, he is. They are not running. They are sitting. They are wearing a blue pants and a blue jacket. Is Salomon wearing purple sneakers? No, he isn't. Salomon is wearing black sneakers. Javier is wearing a red cap. Valentina is wearing black pants. Sarah is not wearing orange sweater. They are sitting. Christian is not wearing gray jacket. Valentina is wearing glasses. Bye, teacher.